What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. We are back out in downtown LA. We got Frank Nitty from Ballin' on a Budget. Got that fool right there. Let's go look around. Ballin' on a Budget in town. You know we had to take them to Jumpman LA. Let's go look around, dude. If you guys been following my channel, you guys are familiar with this spot. This spot is hella fire if you guys are fans of Jordan brand. And we'll look at more of the store in a minute, but this is my favorite rack right here. Dude, got all the sales. $30 down from $37.50. This is oversized. Oh, goddamn, this looks huge. Oh, that's interesting. Got the back right there. These are down to 40 from 52. Got a flight sweater or sweatshirt, flight sweatshirt. That is 92 down to 70. And then dude got, I don't know what that's called. Remember that stitching thing that we used to do, or my sister used to do that when we were kids. $60 down from 88. So they do got a few things on sale. I think they have, is this one of the We the Best? No, I don't think this is just running. I don't think DJ Khaled is into running too much, but this is the women's shorts right here. I'm looking for a tag. Oh, there we go. There you go. $20 down from 65 if you need some women's running shorts. Women's basketball shorts right here. These look pretty dope. $67.50 down to $50, and then got a few things right here. Of course, they do have tons and tons of retros. So all the Jordan retros on the right side, Jordan 1s, and then all the performance sneakers over there on the left. Let's start with all the Jordan 1 mids. And I was gonna say lows, but yeah, those are all the mids. Mids and highs, actually. This is the only location in LA where I've seen these bad boys, the Airship. These are Realtree Airships? Looks like it. Yeah, these are pretty dope. Way different. And if you want to wear something that nobody else has, $140 for these bad boys. Let me throw those back in for them. These are on sale for $140. And then these are pretty dope too. I know a lot of people like the patent leather mids. But yeah, $140, $135 for these. These are an SC, I believe. And they got twos. These are the responsibility twos. These are, I just really like these. These are $225 though, so they're not cheap. But it does have that nubuck right there. It does have that suede on the midsole. What shoes has suede on a midsole like that one is fire. $225 is a little hot steep. Black cements, pythons. And this gray one, all $175. Midnight Navy 3s right here. I've not seen these at too many spots at all. I kind of like that tumbled leather right there. $2 for these, the earlier release. Oh wait, I thought they were all $210 now. These are $200 as well. $210 for these. Okay, so that's when it changed. Fear 3s, you guys have seen these on sale at a few spots. Got the Chinese New Year 5s right here for $2. Don't really see that anywhere else. Newer 5s that just came out. The olive bad boys. I kind of like the material on these. More and more I see them. $225 for these. PSG1 lows. Definitely want to get a better pair than that one. 6s. More 6s. Got 7s right here. 9s. 11 low IEs. 11 low IEs are $140. Got 12s right here. And I guess it's the last retro right here. And they don't have the Gratitude right there, but they got them right here. Definitely interesting. I think Frank asked one of the workers, they said up to 10.5. So the fact that they still have these, that's crazy. I wonder if they got the restock when Shoe Palace got theirs. And I remember I showed plenty of the PEs. I don't remember these. Did they get new PEs? Because Tatum denims right here. I don't remember that. They got the Legacies right here. I don't know which one that, the Vortex. And then they got the Tatum 2s right here. I just realized these are all Tatum 2s. I thought these were Tatum 1s.
Nah, it says it right there.
So the Tatum 2Ps right here. They got the Luka 2 right there. I think these are the ones that we saw. But they got some 38s. Then some 38s right here. I think we've seen these before. Then they have this display. They did change up their displays a little bit. I was like, dang, they do photo shoots and stuff like that on the top court, but they won't let us see it. Dang it. I don't blame them, dude. You need a lot more staff for all that stuff too. And then Frank showed me these. I didn't even notice. Look at these. Dude got the Awake exclusive pair right here. Wake, New York. These are some airships. I know these were the original shoes that Jordan wore when he first got into the league. And these are the ones that got banned technically. The Jordan 1s never did get banned. It was actually this that was the bread, and he got fined $5,000 a day, and Nike supposedly paid the bill, stuff like that. That's what they say, right? Seeing if they have anything interesting. This is the kids section right here. Women's section right here. Not really seeing too much. These are kind of cool. Kind of like the gray and the powder blue right here. These are down to $150, normally $175. Celtics 5 right here. These are pretty dope too. Haven't seen these at too many spots. I didn't know these were a women's release. And then the Neapolitans. Oh, and then the 4s, my bad. The 4s right here, the ones that just released $210 for these bad boys. That's the women's section right there. Got Frank Nitty doing his thing. Go check out Ballin' on a Budget. Check out his channel. Get him to 100K, man. Get him to 100K.
What's up?
I said, you're doing your thing.
Oh, yeah,
people need to get you to 100K. We need to get you to 100K. That's what I said. Do have every colorway of the Luka 2s. Trying to see if any of these stand out. Not really. I don't think I have any of the Luka 1s or 2s. I gave my Luka 1s to somebody else. I gave it to him as a gift. $70? $70 for these? Well, we need to look at it a little closer. $70. These, not bad. Not bad. I don't even know what the hell it says. Is that English? Is that English? I don't know. But yeah, $70, normally $130. These Luka 2s down to $100. $100 for, these are Team Bank, right? These look like a Team Bank. What a lot of you guys refer to as Team Basketball. These are $100 as well. Then the last Team Bank right there, $100, man. All 8 colorways. The ones I didn't show you guys in depth. Retail $130. Do have 4 different colorways of the Zion 3s. And I can see like this, like there's really not much room in the toe box. It's like hella thin right there. Holy cow, I don't think that would work for my fat feet. But yeah, $140 for these. Got a few different colorways of the Jordan 38s. And I'm a fan of these 38s. I like these so much better than 37s. I only have a pair of 37 lows for most of the recent ones. Do I have I do have a pair of 36s too. I do have 36. I got the Luka PEs. But yeah, $160 down from $200. These are $160 as well. Then we got a couple of pairs going for $200. And we do got these lows. I'm trying to think if I like the lows or the mids better. I do like these lows too. They do look nice. $175 for all of them. I don't think this colorway, I don't think I've seen this anywhere else. I think this colorway right here and this colorway, I don't think I've seen either of those at any other spots. And then they do have some of the non-signatures. Some of the names you guys call them just hilarious too. Mike Rich, what does he call them? The Air Jordan Nothings. I just heard someone yesterday call them the Mexican Jordans. It's like the nicknames you guys give them are just hilarious too. And the homie that told me the Mexican Jordan one, he was Latino. I don't know if he's from Mexico, but he is Latino, so it's pretty funny. But yeah, $80 for these 2 trays right here. $80 for these bad boys. Third one right here, New York Knicks colorway. I wasn't gonna show them, but you know they're 50% off. I mean, I gotta show them, right? $110 for the comforts. $80 for the 6 rings right here. And this one also $80. This one got some nice little suede on it. Okay, and that's regular price for that one right there. The upstairs hasn't been open since 2020, since COVID, and they have a bunch of workout stuff right there. They have locker rooms over there. I was kind of hoping to get a tour for you guys, but so much for that. I was looking up those coordinates on my phone. That's, I think, for New York City. Wonder why that's there. Trying to find all the hidden meaning behind everything here. Got Frank doing his thing, looking at all the retros. And then if you guys have been following my channel, y'all know the epic display right here. Got the 1s, OG 1s, 2s, 3s. See all the crumbling and stuff like that. And then you see all this stuff that like people don't really know as much. Do got the 23s. I think I have 1 pair of those. 16s right there. Got the 17s. I think I've been talking about 17s. I so regret not getting these. The last time they came out, I think 2019, I feel dumb for not getting those. I was trying to find them at the outlets back then. That just did not happen. I think this is the one that most people really dislike. One with the see-through material on the side. And Space Jam 9. I think these are coming back, right? I think they're talking about these coming back. And then the 1, 2s, 3s, 4s, those are like the dopest ones, man. Sun's about to go down, so we came to Venice Beach to watch the sunset. Not really. Frank wanted to check out the legendary course out in Venice. Frank's like, man, I'll ball these fools up. What, man? But he only got his running shoes, dang it. Only got his running shoes. Got a lot of courts here, dude, got a lot of courts. Don't see any lights though, so probably gonna wrap it up soon. Sun setting over there. You better got in the shot, fool. Said you better got the shot.
I got it on 2 times, so I can't look at it, bro.
2 times or half times?
I got 2 times. It takes a shot every 2 seconds.
Oh, okay.
There's a time lapse. Strains my eyes, but look.
Look at man, got me in Jordans out here in the sand.
You're right, that thing goes down quick.
Yeah, it happens quick, boy. It happens quick, man. Is it gone? Is it gone?
Almost.
3, 2, oh, it's gone. There's the sunset. How beautiful. We'll set up a DJ right here. Holy crap. Kind of all the skaters right here, all 8 of them. Got a big old crowd watching though. Kind of cool. Oh, look at OG right there. Look at OG right there. Okay. I haven't been out here in forever. It's kind of cool. Skating was kind of cool, but basketball, pretty whatever. Not too much. We did a quick trip here though. That was a quick trip at Venice Beach. I think we got 1 more spot, right? 1 or 2 more spots. And then we are hitting up a chic. Am I gonna get copywritten outside? What the hell? Like, let's go see what's up with this chic. They still got a few different sizes of the Kobe's. I talked to one of the workers here. They said they have a 7 grade school, 7.5 and 8 men. And we are continuing the trip. Nice kicks. We did make a little trek here. Ton and ton of releases. And this trip ain't no different, man. They got all kinds of stuff.